Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making some curry chicken. I already had seasoned it a little bit. Got some garlic and onions in there. Just had to run to the store to get some curry powder. This is the one I use. I got my peppers, my onions right here. Just ran to the store, got some potatoes. Got my rice on already, just waiting for it to boil. So I'm just about to cut up my potatoes right now. I'm gonna show y'all how I do them. Just dice them up real quick. Alright, so everything is cut up. Let's start cooking. Okay, so I put a little bit of this in my rice.
This is the treat for giraffe.
Came to a boil, so I put it on low.
But if you don't, he's not gonna get this treat.
I'm gonna just cover this and let it cook for a minute.
Let's sit right there.
Okay, so the rice is ready. My daughter wanted some vegetables in there, so
a phone call.
I had to put some in there for my baby, nice and fluffy. Alright, so I cooked my potatoes separate because tenderloins, the chicken don't take that long to cook, and I don't want the potatoes to be undercooked, so I boil them separate like halfway, and then I'll throw them in the pot with the chicken once that's almost done. So right now I'm about to make my curry sauce. I can't give away my secret. Like I said before, I got my curry powder, and I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, throw my little shum in here. Alright, so here's my sauce. Whoop. Just make sure this gets nice and hot before I put my chicken in there. Look at that. Alright, so here's my chicken. Just drop these in there. So it looks. Let's just cook for a minute. I'll put it on medium fire. Like I said before, these don't take long to cook. Oh my god, this thing about to go in my food. I don't know why my camera not focusing. But yeah, so I'm gonna mix this up. Hey, what's up, bro? You good? Huh? What? Yeah, go ahead. Thanks, babe. Huh? What'd you say, babe? Uh-huh. Ooh. Let this cook. You should be done. These potatoes. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, so here's the sauce I made. Here's the chicken. This isn't all the way cooked, so I'm gonna just slow cook it now. Just throw that in there. Just let this cook for a while on low. See how nice and thick my sauce is. Look at that.
Bobby,
Yes?
play something to drink.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome to the juice show.
Juice. Alright, so now I'm gonna throw my peppers in here. Mix those around. Here's my potatoes. These are done. I kind of overcooked these. What? Sorry. I'm gonna throw those at the top. So I'm gonna just stir these peppers in. And once these cook, I'm done. Y'all know I'm extra. I had a few shrimp, so I'm gonna throw these in. Okay, so last but not least, my potatoes. Just see how they're breaking up a little bit. Kind of overcooked them a little bit, but sorry. Just put this down in the sauce. Put my little shrimps in here. And I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Learned something. Let me put the light over here. Light is really getting on my nerves right now. Here it is. As you can see, everybody's ready to eat, but I had to get my video in. Here's Boo's plate. Hold on. Damn it. Finished product. They really shaking the table.
They don't copy. Give it up.
Stop it.
For your information, my best friends are missing.
I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you learned from it. Please smash that like and subscribe button for more videos. And thank you for watching.